All right, I got my materials ready for our pumpkins. I've got scissors, I've got a marker, or a pen is okay, and I got tape, and I have my orange piece of paper. All right, so we're gonna do a lot of folding. Ready? We're gonna take our top piece, we're gonna fold our paper the long way. All right, so I match up these sides down here and try and make it as even as I can. Do that little crease, open it up, and we're gonna cut right where we folded. All right, so we're gonna take 1/2. We're gonna do the same thing. You wanna take this corner, match it up with this corner. All right, and the same thing down here. Match these two corners and try and fold it, okay? For folding it the long way again, the same thing, cut right there where we just folded. All right, so I got 2 pieces. I'm gonna do the same thing. Fold it in half. So you can see I match up this corner. I match up the bottom. I match up this corner. All right. Same thing. We're gonna cut right where we folded. All right, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna start with just 1, but we're gonna do all the folding for all 4 pieces, okay? All right, so you're gonna take one end of your paper and we're gonna match it, we're gonna fold it over here. So match those 2 corners. All right, make sure you crease it real good, okay? Same thing, take this end, fold it over and match it to the sides. All right, one more time. Sometimes it helps to have your finger down here to hold the papers all together. Take this end, we're gonna fold it just like this. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it apart. We should have 8 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So now we're gonna fold it, we're gonna make it look like a zigzag or an accordion, okay? So I'm gonna take one end of my paper. You see how it's already folded right here? I'm gonna fold it back. This one, I'm gonna bend it the other way, like a zigzag, okay? So hold it down. See, it's already folded there. It's already folded there. It's already folded. This one we have to fold backwards. Just like this, okay? So it should look like a zigzag or like a little book, okay? So there's one. You can do the same thing. Ready? Take this end, fold it towards our other. So on that straight line. All right, and fold it in half. It's okay if it's not perfect. All right, same thing, take our end, fold it over here towards the short end. All right, one more time. And fold it over here. Just like that. All right, so let's open it up. Let's count our boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, same thing. Gotta make our accordion. Ready? So you're gonna fold it over right where that line is. You see it's already folded, we gotta go backwards. Fold and fold it. Shouldn't be hard since it's already folded. Oh, this one's already good. This one's good. This one's good. And then this one we gotta go, see, backwards. All right. There's 2. All right. So I'm gonna take this one. So we're gonna start off just with 2. Okay. So I see my little zigzag right here. I wanna fold it up just like a book. just like this, okay? So we have all pieces together. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a pumpkin on here, but we gotta be really, really careful because we wanna make sure that the pumpkin's just a little bit too big. So let's watch, okay? It helps to put a finger in the middle of it when you're drawing. So I got my marker. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a pumpkin that's gonna be a little bit too big, okay? So we're gonna draw a curved line at the top and a curved line at the bottom. You see how this side, I ran out of room, but that's okay. And then I'm gonna draw a stem at the top for my pumpkin, okay? You see how I ran out of room? So I'm gonna hold my pieces all together and I'm gonna cut right here on these lines. All right. So I'm gonna cut right here. Okay, notice I just cut right here, not this side, leave it alone. Just right here on this line. So right here, I'm gonna be extra careful. I'm gonna cut right here and stop right here at the stem, okay? Just wanna make sure that you still have room there. All right, there's the stem. And stop. I stopped right there. All right, and then I'm gonna keep cutting. All right, let's open it up. And there's my pumpkins. All right, so there's my garland. See, they're all stuck together. All right, so we're gonna do it again. I'm gonna take my accordion, make sure it's all folded up like a book, just like this. All right, then we're gonna draw our pumpkin. All right, so a curved line on the bottom. See, there's the bottom and here's gonna be the top. I'll even draw it so I know exactly where to cut, just with that little stem right there. All right, so remember, we only cut on the black lines. Just like that. All right. And cut right here. And stop. Just so this little tiny piece comes off. All right, just a little bit and stop. And then we're gonna cut our curve right here. All right, and there's our pumpkins, just like this. So if you wanna do it, you can take our two big pumpkins and you can take a piece of tape and you can tape them together. See, I've got a really long line of pumpkins.